Got a mountain of research papers or training notes piling up? Let me show you how Claude.ai can help you tackle them in seconds. Claude.ai, developed by Anthropic, is an AI that simplifies long documents. It generates smart summaries, outlines, and actionable strategies for you. Just head over to Claude.ai and upload your PDF or paste your text. Then ask Claude, summarize key insights and give me 3 action steps. In an instant, it organizes everything into clear, concise summaries. Why is this so powerful? It saves you hours of reading and helps you create course outlines or reports. Plus, it writes in a professional, human-like tone. But a word of caution, don't overtrust its accuracy. Always double-check the data or sources it provides. So, why not give Claude.ai a try for your next report or course material? And don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tools that boost your strategy.